Hello friends, my name is Bob, saying hello to you today. We are going to be talking about a couple of very interesting AI programs to help you with your video construction. Let's do it.
What if the next great creator didn't need to show their face at all? Right now, AI is giving rise to a new breed of digital entrepreneurs. People who are cloning their own voices, likenesses, and storytelling styles to produce content that never sleeps. Your digital twin can narrate, host, and engage millions while you focus on ideas, strategy, and growth. This shift is more than convenience, it's leverage. The creators who understand how to use AI clones are already building faceless empires across YouTube, turning curiosity into cash flow. Stay tuned, because before this video ends, you'll know exactly how to access Pictory and InVideo AI to create your own text-to-voice videos, and how to use it to create high-quality videos that grow your audience and your income simultaneously. YouTube's recent policy updates have quietly redrawn the map. The platform now distinguishes between repetitive AI content, the kind that floods feeds with generic noise, and authentic AI-assisted creativity that feels fresh, human, and valuable. Get it wrong, and your videos vanish from visibility. Get it right, and the algorithm becomes your ally. Creators like Matt Wolf have proven that originality pays. His AI-driven channel thrives because it adds insight and imagination, not automation for automation's sake. In the next few minutes, we'll unpack the simple framework that separates AI slop from strategic storytelling, so your videos don't just survive policy changes but rise because of them. If this message inspired you, please like and subscribe, and let's keep showing up together. Technology alone doesn't make success, using it with intent does. That's why new tools like InVideo AI are changing everything. With features such as AI twins and avatar cloning, creators can build digital hosts that look, speak, and think like them. Suddenly, scaling content isn't a dream, it's a workflow. The best part? It's free to try, meaning anyone can step into this future today. Imagine launching videos faster, refining your message, and multiplying your presence without multiplying your workload. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap, from idea to AI clone to monetized channel, and the confidence to use these tools to amplify your creativity, not replace it. So, if you're ready to clone your voice, streamline your process, and build a channel that earns while you learn, let's dive in. The future of YouTube isn't coming, it's already here, and it's waiting for creators bold enough to step forward. So, if you're ready to clone your voice, streamline your process, and build a channel that earns while you learn, let's dive in. The future of YouTube isn't coming, it's already here, and it's waiting for creators bold enough to step forward. In this video, we explore the exciting world of cloning yourself with AI, and how to turn it into a profitable faceless YouTube channel. You'll learn how artificial intelligence can create engaging, high-quality videos without you ever appearing on camera. If you're getting any value out of this video, please do us one favor to help you and smash that like button, subscribe and the notification bell. We'll cover the most effective AI tools for video creation, strategies for producing standout content, and key steps for optimizing your channel for growth and monetization. Just as important, we'll break down YouTube's latest AI policies, essential knowledge for anyone hoping to thrive in today's fast-changing creator economy. Understanding these rules protects your channel, maintains compliance, and builds credibility in a marketplace increasingly shaped by automation and authenticity. We'll also look at the $6 billion AI content industry that's reshaping online media. This booming market offers extraordinary opportunities for creators willing to innovate, experiment, and use AI to expand their creative reach. By integrating automation intelligently, you can save time, boost creativity, and diversify your income streams. Whether you're an experienced YouTuber or just beginning, learning how to use AI to clone yourself opens the door to scalable, sustainable content creation. Understanding YouTube's new AI policies. YouTube has recently clarified its position on AI-generated videos, and every creator needs to take note. The key distinction is between repetitive AI content and original AI-driven creativity. Low-effort videos that recycle scripts, visuals, or topics are now being flagged for limited visibility or demonetization. By contrast, AI-enhanced videos that demonstrate creativity and originality are welcomed. Matt Wolf, a leading voice in AI content creation, proves how powerful this can be. His success comes from using AI tools to enhance originality, not replace it. Wolf emphasizes that creators who simply let AI churn out videos without personal input risk losing both audience trust and monetization. YouTube's algorithm now rewards human creativity layered with AI efficiency. To stay compliant and profitable, creators must focus on producing unique, thoughtful videos that reflect their own ideas and insights. The takeaway is simple: originality, authenticity, and viewer value drive success. If you use AI as a creative partner, not a shortcut, you'll thrive. Low-quality versus high-quality AI content. See the top of the description below for AI products we use. Not all AI videos are created equal. The internet is filling fast with what some call AI slop, content that's generic, lifeless, and made with no human touch. These videos often use recycled scripts, default avatars, and templated voices. They add nothing new, so audiences quickly tune out. If this message inspired you, please like and subscribe, and let's keep showing up together. By contrast, high-quality AI content blends technology with intent. Take Varun, a creator known for his AI-powered news shorts. He curates relevant topics, writes sharp scripts, and delivers concise, visually engaging stories that attract huge audiences. His success shows what's possible when AI amplifies creativity instead of replacing it. The rule is clear: quality AI content requires time, perspective, and purpose. Choose topics that matter. Write with emotion. Design visuals that reinforce your message. AI should serve your storytelling, not do all the talking. Creators who uphold these standards are the ones building loyal communities and long-term brands. Spotlight. InVideo AI and Pictory. Standout tools in this space are Pictory and InVideo AI, designed to make professional AI video creation effortless. InVideo AI's two signature features, AI twins and avatar cloning, enable creators to build digital versions of themselves that can speak, move, and present content naturally. Pictory creates a voice-to-text video with images and video cuts too. Provide professional-looking videos. The InVideo AI process is simple. Sign up and upload a few images of yourself. 1. Let the AI create your digital twin. 2. Customize your avatar's appearance, voice, and gestures. 3. Add your script or use built-in templates, and let the system animate it into a complete video. Within minutes, you can have a lifelike AI host presenting your content, ready to post on YouTube or social platforms. Even better, you can start for free. InVideo AI gives beginners and pros alike a chance to experience the future of digital video creation firsthand. It's a game changer for anyone looking to scale content without hiring editors, actors, or expensive production teams. Pictory gives beginners and pros alike a chance to experience the future of digital video creation firsthand. It's a game changer for anyone looking to scale content without hiring editors, actors, or expensive production teams. Examples of AI success stories. The impact of AI on storytelling is already visible across YouTube. The video, Hidden Giants of the Bible, used AI to craft stunning visuals and compelling narration, sparking viral engagement and widespread discussion. It's proof that creative use of AI can elevate even timeless subjects into fresh, captivating experiences. Similarly, several faceless YouTube channels have exploded in growth using AI avatars. These creators deliver valuable insights and commentary while maintaining privacy. No cameras, no studio, just powerful storytelling through AI-generated hosts. Their success shows that faceless doesn't mean soulless, it means scalable, efficient, and brand safe. Meanwhile, user-generated content, UGC, videos are transforming into a profitable side hustle. By combining AI video production with affiliate marketing, creators can quickly produce branded clips that promote products and earn commissions for every sale. See the top of the description below. If you're getting any value out of this video, please do us one favor to help you and smash that like button, subscribe and the notification bell. As AI tools streamline content output, UGC becomes an accessible income source for virtually anyone with creativity and strategy. How to create effective AI videos? Success with AI video creation comes down to 4 simple steps. 1. Identify strong ideas. Start with research. Look for trending topics and unanswered questions in your niche using tools like Google Trends or Reddit. Strong ideas align with both viewer interest and search demand, ensuring discoverability and engagement. 2. Craft a compelling hook. Your first 5 seconds determine whether viewers stay or scroll. Begin with a question, a bold claim, or an intriguing visual. The goal is emotional connection, curiosity, surprise, or excitement that keeps viewers watching. 3. Optimize titles, tags, and thumbnails. SEO still matters. Write descriptive yet clickable titles, choose tags that mirror audience searches, and use thumbnails that pop. Optimization helps YouTube understand and promote your video to the right viewers. 4. Promote and refine. Once published, share your video widely across social media, communities, and newsletters. Then study performance metrics, watch time, retention, and engagement. Use the data to refine your future content strategy and keep improving. By repeating this process consistently, your AI-powered videos can build traction faster and reach larger audiences with less manual effort. Call to action. We've covered the essential roadmap for thriving with AI on YouTube, from understanding policy updates to crafting creative, high-quality videos. The key is balance. Use AI to automate what's tedious while keeping your human touch front and center. Originality and compliance go hand in hand. Creators who innovate responsibly will not only avoid demonetization but build lasting authority in the growing AI-driven creator economy. If this video helped you, please subscribe to our channel for more insights on AI, automation, and digital content growth. Like and share it to help others discover how they can use these same tools to create freedom, income, and impact online. And don't stop here. Explore our YouTube channel at MoneyGame AI for guides and case studies for deeper strategies on AI video creation. Whether you're building your first faceless channel or scaling your existing brand, the opportunity is wide open. The future of YouTube is here, powered by AI, driven by creativity, and waiting for those bold enough to take the leap. If this idea stirs something in you, that quiet sense that there's more potential in your voice, your mind, your message, then don't let it fade when this video ends. The tools are already here. What separates those who win from those who watch is the leap. Remember when we said stay tuned, because before this video ends, you'll know exactly how to access Pictory to create your own text-to-voice videos, and how to access InVideo AI to create your very own speaking avatars. Use these AI products to create high-quality videos that grow your audience and your income simultaneously. At 2025, Pictory without avatars is about 80% the cost of InVideo AI with avatars. But both are great programs to convey your message. Right now, creators everywhere are discovering how to duplicate their presence using InVideo AI, not to escape the work, but to magnify it. One idea, one story, one digital twin at a time. If you're getting any value out of this video, Please do us one favor to help you and smash that like button, subscribe and the notification bell. The difference in outcome isn't in their skill, it's in their decision to begin. They understand that automation isn't the enemy of creativity, it's the amplifier of it. Using Pictory or InVideo AI make your videos come to life. Remember when we said stay tuned, because before this video ends, you'll know exactly how to access Pictory to create your own text-to-voice videos and how to use it to create high-quality videos that grow your audience and your income simultaneously. Right now, creators everywhere are discovering how to duplicate their presence through AI, not to escape the work, but to magnify it. One idea, one story, one digital twin at a time. The difference isn't in their skill, it's in their decision to begin. They understand that automation isn't the enemy of creativity, it's the amplifier of it. You don't need a film crew. You don't need endless hours in front of a camera. You just need curiosity, commitment, and the courage to test. Because the first time your digital twin speaks your words back to you, something changes. You see how limitless your reach can be, and how little stands between you and a global audience. So take this as your invitation. Explore the tools we'll show you. Experiment with InVideo AI, create your first clone, even if it's imperfect. Every creator you admire once stood at this same edge, uncertain but curious. Let this be your starting point, your mirror moment, where you step into the version of yourself that no longer works harder for reach, but smarter for impact. The world is ready for your voice, your vision, your digital twin. The only question left is, are you? Please let us know in the comments if our video helped you. See the software we use near the top of the comments below. If this message inspired you, please like and subscribe, and let's keep showing up together.
In this video, we explore the innovative ways to automate YouTube videos using AI technology. By leveraging these tools, content creation becomes faster and more efficient, allowing us to focus on what truly matters, growing our channel and engaging with our audience. We cover essential strategies that can help streamline your workflow while maximizing your reach. Don't miss out on checking the links at the top of the description below to the free training and software we use to create this video.